Hello everyone. In this video, we are discuss about scientific number in C programming language. So let's start the video. So firstly, I'm open here VS Code. VS Code is open here now, and it is our last program. In last video, we are discuss about data types, and in this video, we are discuss about scientific number in C programming. So let's start the video. So firstly, I am remove this code, comment this code. A floating point number can also be a scientific number with an e to indicate the power of 10. Float f1 equal to 45 e3. Printf percent %f comma f1 semicolon. Run this code. We can see here output after 45. Here is a 3 times 0 is printed. Suppose this is a scientific number in C programming. Suppose I want to print double d1 equal to 50 capital E 4 semicolon. Percent LF D1. Run the code. We have to use here \n to print a new line because this both are in same line. Control S. Run the code again. We can see here this is a output of first this float f1, and after 50 here 440 is printed. 1 2 3 4. This is a scientific number in C programming. So thanks for watching video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.